Hi. I was wondering if you were, getting rid of the refrigerator.
I think I know you say that warns me. There are no red roses without their thorns, see. And I think your words have already said plenty. And there are no green shades without some envy. The feels for you, fire and ice, day and night. The things you do, wrong and right, black and white. I'll open a new door, starting over. No kissing
Well, we got our tools, so let's disassemble.
black and white. I'll open a new door, starting over. No kissing
You put something under this, you think?
Yeah, I got a log somewhere. You already used this.
No.
Well, goes our door. We'll put that on later. There you go. You got it. There's one. Fan. Could smash it out. There's one part. I got this piece off, so I mean that works pretty well. Try my first guess to 7/16. Bada boom, bada bing. Get up. There she goes. This thing's probably all just welded together. So,
What does it look like on the bottom?
that.
Yeah.
You can hear the motor on the inside.
Did you cut yourself?
Yeah, on the freaking pipe. That'd be a really cool bass.
You want to?
It's not bad at all. Just a little cut. Hey, my blood's not coming out anymore. That's one way to do it. I mean, for now, yeah, we can make it fit. We got plenty of room. It's gonna be cool because it's different than a lot of the other stuff we do. So it's a little mix up.